Hi, I'm Ceri from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your Whirlpool washing machine door trims. The door trims are the two panels that are connected together around the glass, forming the washer door. Now if these are damaged, then you will need to replace the door trims on your washing machine. Luckily you can do this at home without needing a repair professional, so let's take a look. To change your washing machine door trims, you will need a Torx T15 screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver and two flathead screwdrivers. Of course, you will also need new trims, so we'll include a link to where you can buy them in the description below. And remember, safety first. Always make sure you switch off your appliance and unplug it from the mains before carrying out any work. First, you need to remove your door assembly. For this, you're going to need your Torx T15 screwdriver, and you need to remove the 4 screws here that are holding the door in place. Handy tip, always leave the top screw till last. That way the door won't fall off when removing them. With the door now removed, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the 8 screws around the door trims. Now you can separate the inner and outer door trims that hold the glass. To do this, use both flathead screwdrivers to prise apart the tabs that keep the inner and outer door trims connected. As the tabs would naturally try to lock back into place, this is where the second flathead will be really useful to help keep the trims prized apart and prevent this as you work your way around. With your screwdrivers now in position, you can now use both hands to prise the trims apart. With the door trims now separated, you can lift the door glass away. Now it's time to fit your new door trims. Now, before buying your new door trims, you need to make sure that you've got your model number for your washing machine. This is so you can get the correct part for your particular appliance. Now, if you're not sure what your model number is or where to find it, then don't worry. Check out our video on finding your washing machine's model number here. Now, to reassemble your door, place the door glass onto the front trim. Be sure to look out for the location lug, which lines up the door glass with the trim. Now line up your door handle cutout and it will fall into place. Then give it a good push all around. Which will lock it into place. Now use your Phillips screwdriver to screw the new trims together with the 8 screws that you removed earlier. Now that the door has been reassembled, you can go ahead and reattach your door assembly to the appliance. Now using your Torx T15 screwdriver, you can refit the 4 hinge screws and reattach the door. Put your top screw first, as this will hold the weight of the door. And there you have it, how to replace the door trims on a Whirlpool washing machine. Now your washer is back in shape, it's a good idea to make sure that you're using it efficiently for best results and lower costs. So check out our video here for energy saving tips for your washing machine. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.